How to re-enable speakers on Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. If your speakers are disabled in Windows 10 or 11, you can usually re-enable them very easily. So you can just go and follow out the steps that we'll be telling. So first of all, we can right click on the speaker icon on our taskbar and click on this option called sound and access our sound settings here. Now within this section, we can look out for playback section or speaker, the output section. And here, basically go ahead and check your speaker that is currently being used. After that, you can just go over and see if it's enabled or not. If it's not enabled, you can just go over and right click and enable it. Usually just going over and right clicking on it should work out. Or you can also head over to your control panel and head over and open it up. And within that, also look out for your sound. So go over, look out for hardware and sound, look out for sound, and there look out for your devices here. And if it's grayed out, usually it's disabled. In order to enable it, you can right click on it and select the option for enable. And that should also do it. You can click on apply and OK once it is reset. That's how you basically enable it, and set it as default device as well if you want. Apart from that, you can enable from device manager as well. You can press Windows plus X, head over to your device manager and hit enter. And there expands sound, video, and game controllers. So go over here, look out for sound, videos, and game controllers. Expand it up. Once you expand it up, you can right click on your audio device and look out for this option called enable device instead of the disable one. And that way also you can enable it from your device manager. Also, you can restart your Windows audio service. You can press Windows plus R for that, and then just go over and type in services.msc and hit enter. And find Windows audio here, type in W. Just go over and select one and type in W. And look out for Windows audio here, this one right here. Once you find it up, you can look out for restart option. You can either right click on it and select the option for restart, or go to the properties and restart it from that section as well. And also you can check your volume mixture. So right click on the speaker icon, go to open volume mixture, and make sure the speakers are not muted for specific application. You can just go over and unmute them if you would like, and that should also do it. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably some of the common fixes you can try out, and let us know if it worked for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and